Pancakes, CootieClaws, and orange peels. Let's talk about that. Hello and welcome to another edition of the 3D Print This Talk Show. We have 5 great segments today, including a brand new one, and we're going to kick it off with 3D Print the World. Cool prints, innovative printing, delicious food, and 3D printing. And I hear there's oranges in that one, and wrapping it up with 3D Print Solution.
Did you say oranges?
Yes, I did. Hit the intro! Want some potato chips?
No thanks, but did you know you can actually 3D print with old potato chip bags?
How would that work?
A 3D printing team started working with a brand called TerraCycle to make post-consumer filament.
Wow.
TerraCycle has a supplier of potato chip bags that aren't completely recyclable, so you can't do too much with it. They have chip bags chopped, processed into pellets. The team is able to make the pellets and turn them into fully recyclable PLA filament. And then the 3D printers could be the answer to recycling issues we have.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So just take like whatever this is.
You just take a bag, chop it down, and add it to filament.
Wow, good job.
So for our next segment, it's cool prints. So these are some prints that I printed from our 3D printer. So the first one is a lithophane nightlight. It's very cool because you can take your own picture and put it into this nightlight and you print it out. And we do sell these on our website.
That one's pretty cool.
The next one is called the CootieClaw. It's kind of a weird name, but like Cootie's like eh. But you can put your finger in here, put your thumb up here, and it's made to open doors, turn on light switches, press buttons, and it actually has a built-in stylus, so it works on your touchscreen, smartphone, keypad, all of that. And it's amazing. We do sell these on our website too.
What's this string-looking thing?
This is kind of weird. It was kind of like a test print. It's actually called the Impossible Table. It's a really cool optical illusion where it looks like that the top should fall, but it's not because it's held up by these strings. But it just looks really cool, and I thought it was a really cool one to print.
That is pretty cool. Well, good job printing all these. Do you want to know what is one of the most strongest materials in the world?
What is it?
It's carbon fiber. You know you can actually like 3D print with this?
Really?
Yeah, carbon fiber uses tiny fibers that are infused in a base material and improve the properties of the material. Several popular filaments can be brought into carbon fiber, including PLA, PETG, nylon, ABS, and polycarbonate. These fibers are extremely strong and cause the filament to increase in strength and stiffness.
That's so amazing, like how strong these filaments could be. Like carbon fiber, that's
Yeah.
that's
It improves 3D printing because they won't break as much and it's not just plastic.
Wow. Welcome to our brand new segment, Delicious Food and 3D Printing.
Oh, I already know this is going to be one of my favorites.
Did you know that they can 3D print with oranges?
How would you 3D print an orange?
Actually, they don't use like the inside of the orange, they use the peels. After squeezing the oranges that are stored and left to dry, then through the process of grinding and mixing with polylactic acid, the peels are turned into bioplastic 3D printing filament.
Wow.
With that, disposable bioplastic cups are produced and served to the customers with freshly squeezed orange juice. Then, the cups can be recycled and reused again.
Wow, it'd be so cool to have like a cup of orange juice. The cup's made out of your peel that was orange and then...
Yeah.
It'd be nice. You know, pancakes sound really good right now.
Yeah, they sound really good. Yeah.
Actually, I kind of want a 3D printed pancake.
How would that work? Like, how do you do that?
The world's first food printer capable of printing pancakes by automatically dispensing batter directly onto a griddle in a design of the user's choosing. The Pancake Bot 2.0 can be easily operated and cleaned. So, you just put the mix in and they just it moves around and you can make whatever design you want.
It's pretty much like 3D printing, isn't it? But you just use, instead of filament, you just use pancakes.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is actually available on Amazon for $343.31. Welcome to our final segment, 3D Print Solutions, where we find problems that 3D printing fixes.
Do you know what this is?
Nah, it looks pretty odd.
It's actually a 3D printed face mask adapter. It's used to loosen the tension of surgical masks so they fit more comfortably and fitting.
Wow.
They're perfect for essential workers if they're in the front lines. It's just amazing how something like this can be way beneficial and help everyone in need.
Yeah, it's so cool how it's helping, like, in these hard times, that brings something that can help them and make their lives easier. And for our next one, we have the world's largest 3D printed boat. This boat was created by the University of Maine in just 3 days. This boat also achieved 2 other world records. The boat was created using the world's largest 3D printer, and it became the world's largest 3D printed object. This boat is 25 feet long and also weighs 5,000 pounds.
Wow, I bet that took forever. 3 days? That's a long time.
Must have been printing 24/7.
Yep. Thanks so much for tuning in to 3D Print This.
And don't forget to check out next week's show where we talk about cars, burritos, and prosthetics. See ya!